Hello viewers, in this video today, we're going to talk about top 5 spin mop available on the market today. We have compiled this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. If you are too using a mop to clean your house, but are not satisfied with its working, then you should immediately switch to a spin mop. This type of mop is specially designed to deliver a thorough cleaning of all types of surfaces in the quickest possible time. Check out our video to find 5 best spin mops for you. So, let's start from number 5, and stay tuned till we reveal our top 1. Number 5. Twist and Shout Hand Push Spin Mop. No foot pedal, no plastic spinning axis, no other unnecessary moving parts to break or cause leaks. Mop head rings 2x drier than foot pedal version. Sturdy, yet lightest bucket out of all spin mops makes it easier to fill and dump water. Number 4. Oshang Easy Ring Spin Mop and Bucket. Cleaning floor easier and fun than ever. Quality bucket and easy ring system lets you easily thoroughly wringing the mop head. There is no need to touch dirty water or a dirty mop. This synthetic yarn effectively gathers and holds dust, grit, grime, and it easily releases debris when rinsed. In addition, microfiber resists staining, so your mop continues to look fresh. Number 3. Row Mop Easy to Go Stainless Steel Deluxe Rolling Spin. You can now make mopping fun and easy with this brand new state-of-the-art spin mop set. The fast spinning mop head will give you a squeaky clean and shiny floor in half the time it usually takes you to finish it, and with no hassle. Number 2. Apotek Upgraded Stainless Steel Deluxe Spin Mop. This spin mop dry basket is stainless steel, unlike other who uses plastic or aluminum. The handle is also constructed out of stainless steel for durability and backed by our 1-year warranty. Mop head rings 2x drier than foot pedal version. Sturdy, yet lightest bucket out of all spin mops makes it easier to fill and dump water. Number 1. Cedar Spin Mop Bucket Floor Cleaning System. Super absorbent microfiber effectively cleans with just water. Exclusive bucket design has built-in wringer that allows for hands-free wringing. Compatible with the Easy Ring Mop Refill. High-quality foot pedal designed to activate spin wringing, allowing the level of moisture to be controlled.